Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. Today I am going to discuss the summary of Unfolding Bud, which is written by Naoshi Kuriyama. Before starting the poem, let's know something about the poet. Naoshi Kuriyama is a Japanese poet who studied English literature in the United States and returned to teach in Japan. He began to write poems while he was away from home and went on to publish 9 collections in English, besides 3 translated from Japanese. This poem compares the flowering of a water lily to the process of understanding a poem. It is a simple poem, but rich in meaning. Unfolding Bud by Naoshi Kuriyama contains the theme, "Don't give up on poetry right away." To begin, the subject of the poem is poetry. Kuriyama uses a central metaphor in his poem to compare poetry to a budding flower. Much like a growing plant, poetry develops its beauty gradually. This can be seen in the second stanza of the poem. He describes, "One is not amazed at a first glance by a poem which is as tight closed as a tiny bud." He compares a poem to a flower which is a closed bud at first and then opens to a beautiful flower. Through this comparison, the reader is shown how a poem starts out with a hidden message inside, waiting to blossom and reveal itself. The connotation used by Kuriyama reminds the reader that a tiny bud is now a beautiful masterpiece begins, and one must be patient during the early stages of a poem until its true meaning is discovered. Kuriyama doesn't want us to give up a poem right away. It is like the flower bud. It won't reveal its true beauty until it opens. A poem will take many readings to reveal its beauty as well. Kuriyama further illustrates the transformation from bud to blossom when he writes, "One is amazed by a water lily unfolding with each passing day, taking on a richer color and new dimensions." Through these vivid words, the reader is able to see how a flower is transformed to be magnificent and beautiful. One can also see that this metamorphosis does not occur overnight, but rather it takes time to fully run its course. Just as Kuriyama describes a plant as taking on richer color, he later refers to a poem as revealing its rich inner self. His diction convinces the reader of their similarities, since they both develop a fuller beauty and meaning as time goes on. Through these comparisons, Kuriyama shows the audience that to discover the true meaning of a poem, one must be patient and wait for its beauty to bloom. So, I have discussed the summary of the poem. In next video, I'll discuss the question answers of this poem.